Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another unboxing of Maniology. I'm hoping it's something good. Last time I looked, it was Halloween stuff, so that would be perfect. I know it's a little early, but I would rather it be early so I can get my ideas together. But anyways, it says unbox creativity and express yourself. And when you open it up, oh, by the way, I have a 10% discount on Maniology if if you use my code nailed by CJ10, and I get a commission from that, and you get 10% off. But here's probably another code, and that's what comes in there. Tells you about the colors and also the palette stamping plate. These are one of the designs that they came up with. Step-by-step instructions of how to do the design. And some stickers. Excuse the noise. So when you open it up, that's exactly how it looks after you get the cards out the way. And the first thing that I see, give me a second, let me get some scissors. It's 2 stamping polishes. Thriller, which is this color, beautiful color, and Ghoulish, which is this color. And always, every time you have a box, they always make sure to add this in there, which is the instructions on how to stamp. Before I show you the stamping plates, let me show you what else is next. Move this box out of the way. And so you get a bag as well, reusable bag. Okay. A little small. Looks like good enough to put either lunch in or something. And then we have the stamping palettes. Now they always come in this paper with a blue film over it. Make sure you take this blue film off before you start stamping, because then you're wasting your time and your stamps. And your polish as well. So this is the plate, and that is the number. And this is supposed to be Pet Cemetery. Put that one right there. Maybe not, because it's shining right in you guys' eyes. And this is the next one. And this blue film always gives me trouble. And this is the next one. Side by side. Okay. Okay, let's do a recap of the bag. So this is one of the stamping plates, and this is the other, upside down, sorry. This is the other. Two polishes. Beautiful colors. A reusable bag. And some stickers. So that's this month's box. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And share. Thank you. Y'all have a good day.